So you might be in a situation where the copy and paste portion is just not working on your particular iPhone. So maybe that paste option isn't showing up when you're trying to go ahead and paste something. Now, number one, to understand how the paste thing works, you will have to go through and you will have to tap onto that paste side at least one time in order to actually go ahead and pop open the paste bar. So what this looks like is you basically go through and you tap onto this little portion right here after you copy something. So make sure you've properly copied something for the most part. So let's go and make our way over to our Apple website. And first of all, copy something. So go through, copy some text, copy whatever you want to do. So in this case, we'll just hold this down and we'll copy this, right? Now what you're going to want to do after is you want to go through and you want to click on the, like any bar, any place you want to paste the text at. Click on the empty bar one time and you should be able to see the paste button. If that doesn't come up, that means one, A, you didn't go and actually copy and paste it, or two, maybe you did copy and paste it, but the place that you're pasting it doesn't actually allow you to go and paste it. So if you're copying a video, you might not be able to paste a video here and vice versa. Now, another thing you can try doing here too is to try going through and essentially seeing if you have the option of updating your iPhone. So this is another thing I recommend doing here too, because that will probably end up fixing it as well. So what you're going to want to do here is you basically just want to go through and make your way over to your settings application. So go right into settings, and go ahead and make your way over into your general option here. Click on software update. And all you're going to want to do here is software update your phone. And that's another very easy basic thing that I'd recommend doing here as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.